Shiners. Today I'm making some chocolate chip cookies and I'm making them with some coconut oil. And I like to use coconut oil. I'm using half butter as well. But I like to use coconut oil because it makes the cookies taste yummy. And it's supposed to be healthier for our heart. So I'm going to put in a cup of butter. Each one of these is half a cup. So that's a cup of butter. I'm going to put in a cup of white sugar. I'm going to put in 2 cups of brown sugar. Make sure I get all the ingredients out of the bowls. I'm going to put in 4 eggs, but I'm going to add those a little bit later. I have 5 cups of flour in here, and then I have a teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm going to pour my chips right in there, and I'm going to stir those up with the flour. My bowl isn't big enough to do a double batch, and my family requires a double batch every time I make these. There's no reason to make anything less, and so I'm going to get this going. It's going to be loud, maybe. Okay. I let the machine do the butter and sugar and the coconut oil. Get that all softened up for me, and then I'm going to add it to the flour mixture. I'm going to just add 1 egg at a time. I'm going to knock the butter down. While that's going, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You can use whatever kind of vanilla you want, but I like using the Watkins Baking, the pure vanilla extract. Makes the cookies taste so much better. I'm going to add another egg. And in my chocolate chip cookies, I'm going to try these sea salt caramel chips by Hershey's. They sound absolutely amazing. I haven't ever tried those before. My daughter's hungry for some chocolate chip cookies, so I thought I'd surprise her tonight. And let's see if I can show you what the batter looks like. Looking really good. I'm going to add another egg. I like to add the eggs one at a time and then let the machine work on blending the sugars together and getting everything ready for a lot of yumminess. have about half a cup of nuts. I'm going to put those in there with my flour mixture. Putting the chocolate bits and the nuts in with the flour keeps them from sinking to the bottom of your cookies. Okay, that's all ready. I'm going to add another egg. I had 4 eggs total in this recipe. I'm going to shut this off for a second. I'm going to scrape my bowl. Very important when you're doing these recipes that you stop every once in a while and scrape the bottom of the bowl. Up a little bit higher. Sometimes if you feel the bottom of the bowl, you can feel how cold the butter and ingredients really are. And sometimes I'll put a bowl of warm water under here to heat it up a little bit. Take the beater off and I'll take that bowl off. And I'll try to get this out of the way. Okay. So I want the wet ingredients in here with my dry. And I'm going to stir this all up, and then I'll do another video on putting them on the cookie sheet. I make several videos, that way you can just watch the part that you want to. You don't have to watch my whole entire video to get the help that you need. I hope my videos inspire you to cook and enjoy. When I was a child, we didn't have a mixer, so we had to mix all this up by hand. And boy, did I have some good upper body muscles. But I used to make these every time when I took my kids on vacation. I'd make big batches of cookies to take with, and oh my gosh, it was so nice to have those up there. And sometimes I would find a homeless person that didn't have anything to eat, and I would give them some of the cookies that we had. And they really enjoyed them as well. And it was nice to be able to share. In the background, I have a sink of hot soapy water. And every once in a while, in between all of this, I give my hands a good wash. Baking's messy, but that's part of the fun of it. If I get any raw eggs or anything on my hands, then I have to go ahead and wash. I'm gonna mix this until it's all incorporated and it's all nice and moist and yummy. Okay, I'll see you when I'm making the second video of my chocolate chip cookies. I hope you're having a wonderful, blessed day.